Hello guys, welcome to another episode. Now, in the last episode, we started the CSS part and we completed five topics. So now, in this one, we'll be continuing from there on. So let's get into it. Okay. So what does it say? It says you can set which font an element should use by using the font family property. For example, you want to set your HTML elements font to sans serif, you can use the following CSS. So we can set the font family and it will be using different fonts. Let's do this in order. It's a very font family. So as you can see that the font of the PE elements have changed. So go to the next one. In addition, import to Google Fonts. Okay, yeah. So what Google Library has, this is link. We can go to the Google Fonts and you can use or download any n number of Google Fonts which you have. You can use them like yes. So from the Google Font library, you can copy the fonts URL and then paste it in your HTML. We need to first import the lobster. So for this exercise, we'll be importing the lobster font. So we need to copy and paste this link. What we'll do is paste it on top of. Okay. After that, lobster is found in a CSS using lobster as the family and generally. So what we'll do is, what does it want? Okay. So one more thing it is saying is that the generic name is optional. Okay, and name is your family name. The generic name is the backup name in case the family name does not load or anything. And the generic name which is there, the family names which are there are case sensitive and they need to be wrapped in codes if there is a space in the name. But when we are using a generic name, we do not need to use they are not case sensitive and we do need not use them in quotes. So from okay, H2 element. So what we'll do is H2 okay, inside this one. Let's make it a little clear. What we'll do is lost. Okay. So as you can see, the font changes. When you go to the next one, which is there specify how font should degrade. Okay, there are several default fonts that are available in all browsers. So which one you can degrade? For example, Helvetica. Okay, so as we said, that family name and generic name are two names, so it will degrade. The order in which we want is the first one which we want. We'll be putting it first as the family name, and the second one as the generic name. Generic font names are not case sensitive. Also, they not need code because they are CSS keywords. So apply monospace font to the H2 element so that it now has two fonts, lobster and monospace. Okay, what we'll do is that we'll go to lobster and monospace. Okay. Sorry, it needs to be a comma. They will need to be separated by a comma. So it will take lobster, but in case this if it is not there, then it will come to monospace. So we'll run the tests and uh, Okay, so command call to Google for the lobster font. Okay, so should we do that the first time? I don't think so. We did that the first time. Okay. Okay, they want us to put that in the comments, the link, so that we can see the degradation. Now this is because it is being called, the lobster font is called from Google font library. This H2 element is in the family name, which is lobster. Now to show the degradation, we'll put these in the comments. So now we can see that it is degraded. That's it. Done with size of images. Okay. Like CSS has a property called width that controls the elements width. So just like fonts will use px to specify the image width. Okay. For example, if I wanted to create a CSS class called larger image, that will give HTML width of and reduce width like that. This class. So yeah, okay. They want us to create a smaller image class. Let's do it. Here we did it. Okay, yeah. Image needs to have a class as well. So where's the image? Let's find it. Yeah, here it is. So here we have that. So as you can see, the size of the image has reduced. Now the last one for this video. Yes, CSS borders have borders like style, color, and width. For example, if we wanted to create a red 5 pixel border around HTML, we could use this class. So style, this the border that they have border, color, width, and style. So style would be the solid red color and with a different style could be solid or transparent. Create a class thick green border. Okay, so thick green border and the class we have had. Okay, we'll do this. Thick green border. Okay, what will do is border. Border color to be green. Then with to be 10 px. Then our style to be thick. Sorry. Yeah, now we have that is 2 make a multiple plus the cluster multiply. Okay. So yes, okay, we need to apply to the image. So now what we can do here is green border. So that's in the nice. So now it will get a little more complicated, but as you can see that it's getting more interesting as well. We're able to give more beautification and more look to our web page. So we'll continue in the next episode. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye.